Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into a quick guide on how to organize your personal library in Airtable, your 2025 edition. First up, you'll need to create a base. Think of a base as a home for your library. To do this, click on the Add a Base button on your Airtable homepage and select Start from Scratch. Creating a dedicated base for your library is crucial as it gives you a central location to manage all your books. Now that we have our base, let's set up the table structure. Click on the plus sign to add a table and name it Books. Make sure to have columns for title, author, genre, read status, and rating. The reason we do this is to create a clear and organized structure that makes it easy to find and sort your books. Next up, let's fill in the data. Enter the details of your books in the respective columns. This step might be a bit time-consuming, depending on the size of your library, but it's essential. By filling in all your book details, you're creating a comprehensive database that will help you keep track of your reading. Now, let's make use of Airtable's powerful sorting and filtering features. Let me explain why this matters. Say you want to find all the science fiction books you haven't read yet. Just apply the appropriate filters to the genre and read status columns. This helps us because it allows us to quickly and easily find specific books in our library. Finally, we'll add the icing on the cake, the cover images. Click on the plus sign to add a new column and name it Cover Image. Set the column type to Attachment and start uploading the cover images for your books. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is storing these images, allowing you to visualize your library in a more appealing and interactive way. That's it. You've just organized your personal library in Airtable. Now you have a visually appealing, easily searchable, and highly organized digital library at your fingertips. Remember that the key to maintaining an organized library is regular updates. So every time you add a book to your collection, make sure to update your Airtable library. Thanks for watching and happy reading.